Slide 1. Hi teacher, my name is Gámez Diaz. This is my video about learners, the effective climate, discipline in the classroom, and feedback. Slide 2. Teachers played an important role in the learning process. Normally, teachers teach in the way that they were taught. Teachers tend to apply the same techniques which were useful then. Also, teachers teach based on their beliefs. For example, if a teacher believes that communication is essential to learning, he or she gives communication activities. Slide 3. Teachers have beliefs about language. Teaching and learners may have suggested that teachers have at least 7 ways of view about learners: resistors, receptacles, raw material, clients, partners, individual explorers, democratic explorers. Slide 4. The affective climate is an essential part of a learning process. Teachers try to generate a positive climate in the classes. In my experience, when the climate is positive, this promotes better learning. Teachers must know their learners' effective needs. This is easier when groups are small. There are different benefits not only for learning, also students can make strong relationships. In this way, they can feel more confident. Slide 5. Teachers and students have to accept and follow a set of rules in the classroom. In my experience, rules are necessary for a class. Students need to know the things that they can or can't do. In this way, they have a structure and order to follow. Slide 6. During a class, it is necessary to have discipline. Students must follow some rules. This allows a good climate for learning. It is important to create an emotional climate. Students must feel confident. Teachers need to control the group. For this purpose, there are different techniques. Teachers must be a leader. However, teachers must be careful because excessive control has a negative effect. For example, punishments produce a negative effect on students. Instead that students changing their behavior, they start being rebellious. In my experience, students change when they are praised by teachers. Slide 7. It is information given to students about their performance on a learning task. Feedback is given first by teachers. However, feedback can be given by classmates. Feedback could be a reinforcement of a good behavior. Slide 8. The corrective feedback process consists of 3 parts: who, how, and when. As I said before, the first person to give feedback is a teacher. However, classmates can do it. In this case, it is named peer correction. There are different techniques to give feedback. For example, emphasis, expansion, interrupt, ignore, etc. Finally, there are different moments for feedback. For example, during an exposition, it is better to delay feedback at the end of the task. However, when students read aloud the test, it is possible to give feedback immediately. Slide 9. This is the reference of this task. Thanks teacher for your attention. Reference Universidad IEXPRO Classroom Management Techniques and Reflections on Practice.